Yes. So ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार? So beautiful, the words of the song, and every word had its own vibration. Beautiful vibration. Has everybody heard this song? सबने
Yes.
सुना है ये सॉन्ग या किसी ने
Yes,
पहली
yes.
बार सुना है?
नहीं नहीं, ये मूवी भी बहुत अच्छा आता है.
Yes. Anybody heard this song for the first time?
Yeah, I heard it first time.
Wow. Wow.
First time, ma'am.
Awesome. So कुदरत की इस पवित्रता को तुम निहार लो. The words are, every line has, I was getting goosebumps when I was hearing this, and I never thought that I would hear this early in the morning and start my day with, but it was a really good experience. And yesterday I was with this song, and I don't know, somehow in the afternoon it came and I thought of sharing with you all and start the day with this. अपनी तो आंख एक है उसकी हजार है. So just remember how grateful, we can be to the universe, to the God, to the creator who has created so much beauty around us. And let's look at that beauty. Today is the time to remember that beauty and be grateful to him every moment. So yes, and today is a very, very beautiful chapter, which is make all your wishes come true. So we have, how many people are coming for the first time? Yes, there's one person. You can write it on the chat. Okay. So yes. Somebody wanted to say anything.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I've heard this song before, but felt today.
That's really beautiful. That fell today. Wow. Awesome. Yes. And today's chapter is all about feelings. And how many of you could imagine, as if you are there outside in nature and you are visualizing everything. And just as you said, Pooja ji, you felt. So yes.
I can see the mountains ahead of me, the trees, flowers, rose flowers, and everything in front of me.
Awesome. So today's chapter is all about imagination, and the more and more we imagine, because imagination is the language of the universe. The universe understands that language, and as you rightly said, you felt it, and so the universe understands only feelings. So today's chapter is, we really, of course, we have felt. हमने पूरे इन जितने भी हमने 12 चैप्टर्स हमने कवर किए हैं अभी तक, उसमें जितना फील करके हमने gratitude पे किया है, उतना we have gone deeper into it, and when we have actually built a muscle in this world, and now, and of course we've started building the foundation also. So today we are going to learn a lot and how to strengthen that foundation by the power of imagination. Yes.
वंदना जी, मैं तो कश्मीर की वादियां में पहुंच गई थी.
Awesome.
शालीमार गार्डन और वो सब देख लिया फिर से एक बार मैंने.
Very beautiful.
बहुत मजा आ गया सच्ची में.
So nice to know that we all can imagine. And so how many of you could imagine actually mind kahin aur tha and you couldn't focus? Anybody like that? Or you could imagine, every one of you?
नहीं, I felt.
Okay. Anybody wants to share anything before we start? Lovely.
और
Yes.
मैं इतने ज्यादा कनेक्ट इसलिए हो गई थी, ये हंसने की बात है, वो मेरे यंगर डेज के फेवरेट हीरो था इसमें, जीतू भाई, इसीलिए.
Okay. Lovely.
एक्चुअली मुझे पता नहीं था कि इसका हीरो कौन है ये मूवी में, बट सच बताओ तो मैंने जितेंद्र को विजुलाइज किया था इसमें भी.
Okay. Wow. Trips to Missouri, Shimla, and Kashmir. Yes. Okay. Lovely. So, yeah. Okay. So, who wants to read today's chapter? Read. You wanted to read yesterday. You
Yeah.
want to? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anybody? Everybody can see properly.
Yes, yes.
So, day 13, make all your wishes come true. Are we all ready to make our wishes come true?
Yes.
Yes.
Show your excitement, everybody.
Yes, yes,
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how's
Yes,
the
yes, ma'am.
Josh? How's the Josh? Yes.
Hi.
Yes. How's the Josh?
Hi.
Arey, hi, bring
Hi,
bring.
sir. Hi, sir.
Hi.
Okay, lovely, lovely. So
It's already,
yes.
it's already high because of the song that we heard. I could imagine everything. And that Lalima is still with me. The word Lalima.
Yeah,
I was,
okay.
but that Lalima just molded with me. I can associate with it somewhere, somehow. And I just want it more and more. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Beautiful word है लालिमा.
Yes. So जिसको हर किसी को अलग अलग word ने touch किया है because that word has an experiential thing in your subconscious mind और इसीलिए some of us might have felt कोई और word touch किया हो हमें. So very beautiful. That was at Shailaja. Who shared?
Shikha.
Shikha. Okay, okay, okay. So Shikha, you attended day 0 and day 1, or you just attended day 0?
I could attend only day 0. Day 1, I could not attend because my grandma passed away.
You hear the recording of day 0 and day 1?
I've
Sorry,
heard.
day 1 and day 2?
I did hear, even when it was there in the morning, in the night, when I got time on those days, I could hear, but then I could not connect after those 3 days.
No, that's fine, that's fine. But day 1 and day 2 you have heard, na?
Yes, yes.
And you're
I've
following those practices or you haven't yet started?
I have my magic rock.
No, are you following it?
Yes.
Okay, and count your blessings?
No, these days I haven't been able to write. Yesterday, all the rituals were done. So I will restart.
So you'll
Initially
start
for-
from today itself?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So yes, let's look at the picture. Everyone, let's decode the picture and find a story
Jacket,
around the picture. Yes.
jacket is there
Jacket.
and sparkling. One area is more sparkle.
Okay. And this jacket is so big.
Yeah,
Yes.
big pocket.
It's
Yeah.
a pocket.
Yes.
There's
What
a
else?
staircase which is going upwards.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Keep on imagining. Whatever you're saying, just use the power of your imagination. Because
Imagine-
imagination is the true magical carpet.
I
ये
can see
jacket
full.
ये
and
जादू जादू
Jacket.
जादू का जैकेट है जहाँ से हर चीज निकल आती है हर ड्रीम्स कंप्लीट होता है
Okay. Yes.
jacket
Wear
पहनने
the
के
magic jacket and you climb up the stairs of your wishes.
When you wear the magic jacket.
You climb up the
Climb up.
stairs at the back.
Yes.
So
Okay.
you climb up
Yes.
the stairs of all your wishes.
Okay. Okay. So when you wear the magical jacket, isn't the magical jacket with you right now?
That's what we don't realize. We think we still have to wear it.
So yes, so what are you thinking right now? What are you feeling right now?
Frankly, I didn't connect with the jacket till somebody said. And then I
Okay.
noticed the stairs. And the jacket is not my favorite piece of clothing. So now I have to figure out.
Okay. So have you figured out? Just figure it out right now before we start the chapter.
I don't need a jacket.
Oh, you don't need a jacket. Okay, awesome, awesome. So magic is inside our pocket and can sprinkle anywhere, anything, and get everything. Okay, yes, awesome. So somebody, Jinal ji has written this. So I just read what she has written. So yes, anybody else has anything to say? So the rest of
जैकेट
you,
के अंदर, हाँ जैकेट के अंदर जो लिफाफा है इसमें हमारा ड्रीम लिस्ट है और उसके ऊपर ये स्प्रिंकल हो रहा है.
what is sprinkling?
A magic dust.
Magic light.
Okay, so now onwards, can we associate the magic dust with gratitude? Okay, so अब हम अपना association magic dust हम जब भी देखेंगे हम यही सोचेंगे कि gratitude है. Even when we are sprinkling magic dust, जो हमने वो chapter की है, just try to do this and see if you feel any difference. तो उसको just feel करना है कि वो gratitude का magic dust है. Okay, when you are sprinkling magic dust or when you are feeling magic dust, so immediately you connect with the feeling of gratitude. अगर दिमाग से निकल भी गया हो तो it just comes, because whatever we see, gratitude को हम देख नहीं सकते, हम feel कर सकते हैं. तो अगर हम इसको, अगर ये जो हम देख रहे हैं, every chapter we are seeing this before the beginning of every chapter, और दिन में भी शायद हमें, you know, when we are sprinkling magic dust, we are feeling it as that golden dust which is falling on anything whenever we are drinking food, eating food, drinking water, or something, some services, some people who are not well, jisko bhi hum, you know, we are sprinkling magic dust. So just feel now that you are sprinkling the power, the magical power of gratitude. So it is reaching all over the world. You're spreading this magical power of gratitude to the entire world. Okay, so even when you're sprinkling magic dust on people whom you don't know, अगर आप सिर्फ ऐसा सोचोगे कि मैं तो उनके ऊपर magic dust, this magic dust what I'm sprinkling is gratitude, thankfulness. Those energies will reach that person, those vibrations will reach that person or the object. Okay, so let's now from this chapter onwards, since we are moving into very soon after tomorrow, we will be moving into our third week. And every week is building and increasing the foundation of whatever we have laid down on day 0. Okay. So does that make sense to you all? I mean, can you associate this with the power of magical power of gratitude?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so let's read this beautiful chapter, and I would request all of you to sit with an erect spine. If you are in that Sunday mood, just sit with an erect spine and listen to what the reader is reading. And of course, with the reader, you can also read in your mind softly, because you all are muted. Okay, so just do that and see the difference. Yes.
Imagination.
Start reading. Yeah.
Imagination is the true magic carpet. Norman Vincent Peale, 1898 to 1993, writer.
Imagination is the true magical carpet. Kalpana sacha jadui galicha hai. Just feel the vibration of these words. एक बार अपने मन में अपने आप whisper करके या softly just repeat these lines. Imagination is the true magical carpet. Do you feel it is really true? So if you think of the subconscious mind, if you remember the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, Chetan or Avchetan Dimag. So if you were not there in the law of attraction and manifestation workshop, we had spoken in detail about it. So agar subconscious mind, so right now the subconscious mind is really active. because we are all in a happy state. And for the subconscious mind, it cannot differentiate between what you have imagined and what is the actual thing. So what is real? For the subconscious mind, whatever you've imagined is real. Okay, so be really in that awareness mode whenever you are imagining things. And but unfortunately, what happens is that most people imagine what they do not want. They think of what they do not want instead of thinking what you want. So today's chapter is going to just teach us in every way that just think of what you want, feel what you want. Doesn't matter what is happening around you, but change your energies, change your frequency by using the power of imagination. And how do we use this power of imagination? So we have all the experiences from the past stored in our subconscious mind. And even what you're seeing right now, feeling right now, hearing right now, it is all going and being stored in the subconscious mind. So use that power, and it gets stored in the subconscious mind in positives and negatives. So let's get in touch with the positives. Imagine, keep on imagining any word which has touched you, like Shikha, you said lalima. So just keep on, what does lalima mean to you? Keep on imagining, feeling, reliving that one word which has touched you. That's the whole idea, why I played this song. Every one of us got connected to a sentence or a word or some kind of picture which you created in your mind. So just be with that. Just be with that as we are going through the chapter, even during the day. Use the power of your imagination. So you must have seen that movie Aladdin, where he sits on the magical carpet. Why it's called the magical carpet? Because the mind can take you anywhere. The power of your imagination can take you anywhere. Your subconscious mind can take you anywhere. Hence, it is like a magical carpet. Okay, so let's use it like how Aladdin used it. And he used to sit on the magical carpet and he used to say, wherever he used to say, the carpet used to fly and used to take him there. So that is how the power of our imagination is. It just, even if you're sitting here right now, okay, let's all of us close our eyes and imagine, and just imagine that everyone is sitting with closed eyes. Yes. Okay, so just when you are sitting with your eyes shut, try to look within. Try to look within. If your mind is going outside, just feel the inner world. Feel the inner world. Whatever you have stored inside your body and your mind. And now feel as if you've gone to your favorite holiday destination and you're there. You are there, you had been wanting to go there since so many years, and there you are. And you're sitting there and sitting and enjoying every moment, whatever you wanted to do in your holiday, in that favorite place of yours. You are doing that right now. And just open your eyes. So how many of you went to your favorite holiday destination?
I went.
I went.
All of you could
Yes.
go?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
This is the power of imagination. We just took 20 seconds. So this is how we need to imagine, okay? And need to imagine what our dreams and desires. What we had written on day 0, everyone had
Dreams
written.
and wishes. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yes.
just your now today is the opportunity. Today is, we are going to get the access how to use those dreams and desires and make it real. Of course, they are real, but the mind understands little drama. So, the little drama has to be there because the mind really wants. So that is what, we are going to learn as we read through the chapter, that how can you use this power and make your day exciting. Make your, of course, with the magical ingredient of gratitude. This magical ingredient is always there, available to us for anything and everything, whatever we are feeling, doing, hearing, everything. So even when you're using your five senses, just use with this magical ingredient. We thank our five senses, right? Why? Because we are bringing this ingredient to our five senses also. The five senses everybody knows?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's continue reading the chapter.
If you have been following the magical practices day by day, you have now built an amazing foundation by practicing gratitude for everything you have received and continue to receive in your life. But today is an exciting day because you are going to begin to use the gratitude's magical power for your dreams and your desires.
So your dreams and desires are as real as, all of you put your left palm in front of you. Put your left palm in front of you and look at the palm closely, just about, say, about 12 inches away from you, and look at it closely. It feels real, right? This palm is real. Have you ever seen your palm so closely like this? So the way you can see the palms and you can experience and feel that this palm is real, like that your dreams and desires are real and they are there in front of you. They are actually there. So let's continue reading.
Hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they want before they receive it, creating elaborate ceremonies to put as much energy as they could into giving thanks. The Egyptians have celebrated the flooding of Nile River since ancient times to ensure the continual flow of water in the river. American Indians and Australian Aborigines perform rain dances. Various African tribes perform ceremonies for their food before they hunt for it. And a very nature of prayer in every culture and religion is giving thanks before having received what is desired.
So this para is really beautiful and very important, very powerful. That what are we doing to manifest something in our life and to make the law of attraction work? This has been unconsciously, they must be having the reasons, but it was not revealed. But they did it mechanically and with faith because they knew that it works. So what was working? So what they were doing was the ancient, it was, the native cultures, whether it was the Egyptians or the African American Indians or the Australian Aborigines or the African tribes, or in India also we do that. When we celebrate Lohri, what do we do? What do the farmers do? Actually, is that, so it marks the beginning of the harvest season, and it is celebrated for giving thanks for abundance of harvest, a bountiful harvest. मतलब पहले हुआ ही नहीं है, before it has happened, they are seeing that because they know that it is there. Everything is there in the universe, and they are using that faith and their trust, and the law of attraction starts working on them because they are saying thanks before they're actually receiving it. And so like that, we all have to function from that space as if the dreams are there in front of us. So I would like to share a beautiful story which I had read a few years back. So there is this place where it has, rains have not come since last 2 years, and it's a drought place, and a drought is there, and the entire earth is, the cracks aa gaye hain earth mein, and it's all dried up, and of course no plants can grow in that space. So they are all they don't know what to do. So the head of the place, it was a village, so at the head of the village he said that let's perform a prayer together. you know, हम एक साथ में बैठ के पूरी विलेज को उसने इकट्ठा किया और बोला कि चलो हम अभी प्रे करते हैं. And what are they? So like, you know, so amongst them is a child, a little child. And so everyone is going to a place, an open place where they would be gathering and they would be sitting and praying for the rains to come. So what happens is this little child, you know, this little child is carrying an umbrella with him. And everybody is looking at him and saying that, why are you carrying this umbrella with you? What is the reason behind it? So he says that, you know, oh, I know the rain is there. I know. मुझे पता है कि बारिश होगी ही. You know, it is going to happen. So to protect myself from the rains, I know that, you know, I will be needing an umbrella. So I'm carrying it before. So actually what the child is doing, the child is actually giving thanks before it has happened. So like that, we all, if any doubts come, if any, because of the previous experiences, the past experience, and you know, whatever is happening in our mind, let's first get into the space of gratitude. Thank for before whatever it's coming into our life, because it's right there. It's right there. How many of you have experienced this some point of your life, that if you did something with faith, with conviction, that yes, it is there and it is there and it is there, then the results were something different. Anyone
Yes,
of you?
yes, I felt.
Yes.
Yes. और
Lovely.
experience भी किया
I
है.
have.
And
I
many
have
times.
experienced it.
Yes, yes.
Many times. It
Many,
always
many
works.
times. Yes,
Yes,
it
it
always
always
works.
works.
Yes.
Yes. So today we are going to go deeper into it, that yes, maybe kahin, you know, out of 10 times, maybe once also or twice also, even if it's worked every time, kabhi kuch doubt element it comes. So let's read how this chapter is trying to tell us and bringing that faith and trust, and that, you know, that thing, that law of attraction is working every second of your life. Every second of your life, this law is working. That's why it's called law, na? Law of attraction. Yes, please continue.
The law of attraction says that like attracts like, which means you must form in your mind a likeness or an imagine of what you want. Then, to attract your desire to you, you have to feel as though it's yours, so that how you feel is also like how you would feel when you wanted. The easiest way to do that is to be grateful for what you want before you have received it. If you never occurred to you, you have received it. If it never occurred to you before to use gratitude to receive what you want, you have now discovered another of its magical powers. The very words in the holy scriptures promise exactly that. Whoever has gratitude now will be given more in the future, and he or she will have an abundance.
So just remember these lines. They really take you out of a difficult situation. You know, just ये lines को आप बिल्कुल एकदम अपने दिल में उतार लो. These lines are so powerful and they fit in everywhere, in every area of your life, whether it's health, relationship, career, money, any other things around you. It fits in everywhere. आप ये line को कहीं पे भी fit कर सकते हो. Whoever has gratitude will be given more in the future. So now is very important. So be in the now, be in this present moment. Right now, as you're sitting, as we are going through this chapter, just be grateful. Wow, today is such a beautiful day. I have started my day with just reading this chapter from the magic book. How beautiful it can be. Otherwise, on a Sunday morning, I would be sleeping and I would be enjoying in my sleep. But right now, what am I doing? I'm so grateful for myself. and for this laptop and this phone, because of which I can attend this session. So grateful. So like that, every moment remind yourself to be grateful in this moment, in the now. Why I'm saying this in the now? Because it's always in the vertical line. It's never in the horizontal line. The now is always there. It's there in that straight line, which is there in front of us. The moment we start moving in the horizontal line, we start oscillating. कभी past में जाएंगे, कभी future में जाएंगे, कभी future में जाएंगे, कभी past में जाएंगे. But if you are just seeing that vertical line in front of you, that straight line in front of you, then always you will be in this moment, in the now. And it's very important for us in the moment we are right now, in that part of our life, in that phase of our life where we really want to just be in the now. What has happened 10 days back, what has happened 15 days back, and we still connect to what has happened. So let's not, it's fine. The mind will take you there. But when we are remembering to be grateful, we always come in this moment. Just look at your hands, look at your legs, look at your fingers, look at your beautiful long fingers, look at your soft skin. Just shift your focus and be in the now. It's very, very important. So from today onwards, let's all of us just, and before we give it to others, matlab, if you first experience yourself and you will see the people around you, the situation around you, the environment around you will shift. Actually, it will shift. So one thing which we are going to do from today is just be in the now. In the now. Keep on saying this to yourself. And you can, sometimes when your mind takes you elsewhere. So right now also when I'm saying, maybe your mind is going, to whatever I'm going to cook afterwards, after the session. Oh, I've got to do so much. And people must be waiting for breakfast and I really have to rush up. Will the session get over at 7? Will the session get over at 6:45? Maybe these thoughts are coming. So just spank your mind. You can actually slap your mind and say, just be in the now. Enjoy in the now, be in the now. This is really important. And when you are in the now, then you will be able to manifest your dreams and your desires like this. Because you are in that space. मतलब आप एकदम उस moment में हो, जो आपको जो करना है वो ही करना है and वो ही आपके सामने है. So then you will start experience, because then you are giving that command to the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind को वो आप command दे रहे हो. And then the subconscious mind will say, your wish is my command. You're wishing that. You're wishing that. Okay, so everybody got this thing before we go further?
Yes.
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 Please continue.
Gratitude is something you must have before you can receive, not something that you simply do after something good has happened. Most people are grateful after they receive something good, but to make all your wishes come true and change your entire life by filling it with the riches in every area, you must be grateful before and after.
So yes, so again, it's the same thing that, of course, we have to be grateful after that thing has happened, and we all have a habit. So till now, in all the previous chapters, we did this, to be grateful of something which is already being given to you and which is already there, and after it has happened. So now we have to just add one more step to it, that just be grateful before you have received it. Before you have got that thing, before you have fulfilled your dreams, before you have actually fulfilled your wishes, and you are waiting for it to be fulfilled because your expectation is ab hoga. But you are not understanding, it is already there. It is already there, because in the now, there is no past, there is no future. It's just there. It's just there. So that's what we are training our subconscious mind. It is already there. So just be grateful before only, na? But before and after these words. See, these words are written in italicized. They are written in italic words, you know, the italic letters. So why? Because you just have to remember before, after, before, it's the same. So just be in the now and say, because time is not linear, na? Time is just in the straight line. So उस world में before and after कुछ है ही नहीं. What is there is here, in the now. But since हमारी conditioning ऐसे है, because we have been following the time and space since we are on this earth, that's why वो उस language को अभी हमें थोड़ा shift करना है. And believe me, if you can really experience it right now, so I would want anybody, if you haven't experienced it right now, और इसमें थोड़ा भी doubt है, then just stop me here and there, here and here now. Just stop me so that we can go deeper and understand it in a different way. So everybody has understood this concept? Yes,
Yes,
no?
yes,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes. So then
Yes.
you are all ready to make your wishes come true, because you've already understood the greatest science behind the law of manifestation. Okay. So now you know, and anytime your mind goes elsewhere, which is possible, it will go. So just do this. Just do this to your mind. Just do this. Everybody, can you see? हाथ को लेके एकदम just do this. Stop it, stop it, stop. You can say this to your mind and immediately it will switch. And also just be grateful. Maybe वो gratitude उस समय ध्यान नहीं आए. So this is one step where you can just do, and you can just start being grateful for whatever is there around you. Please continue.
Through the act of being sincerely grateful for receiving your desire beforehand, you immediately form an image in your mind that you have it. You feel as though you have it and you are fulfilling your part. If you continue to hold to that image and feeling, you will magically receive your desire. You won't know how you will receive it, and it is not your job to figure it out. You don't try to figure out how gravity is going to keep you on the ground when you go for a walk. Do you? You trust and you know that what you go for walk, the
When
law
you go
of
for a walk,
you trust and you know that when you go for a walk, the law of gravity will keep you firmly on the ground. Likewise, you must trust and know that when you are grateful for what you want will be magically moved to you, because this is the law of universe.
yes, so very, very important for you to understand that once you are in that space of gratitude, once you're feeling happy, joyful, that you've received your desire, because when that feeling comes now, you actually your body will start showing up, you know, you will get some goosebumps, or you will get some tingling sensation. Your heart you will feel, wow, you know, your heart chakra, you'll feel that expansive state in and around your heart, and you will, so, and that image, so that's the whole thing about this chapter, that use the power of your imagination. So when we imagine, actually we are using the right side of our brain, the two parts of the brain, left and right. The right side of the brain is the more imaginative part. So even though if you feel, you know, because I remember when I was a kid, when I used to do drawing, I never could do imaginative drawing. I could copy everything, whatever was there in front of me, exactly as it was. Even supposing a person was sitting in front of me and I would sketch that person, I would be able to sketch each and every detail. But if I would have, somebody would tell me to imagine, I wouldn't have done, you know, imaginative drawing, and my other friends, they would do it very beautifully. So that part of the brain was not that developed as the left side of the brain. So when we are imagining, like, you know, how we imagine the song, how we, right now, if you can just imagine the rain falling and the smell of the rain and the smell of the wet sand and the pitter patter of the raindrops, and you know, you get into that imagination world, imaginative world. So just use the power of your imagination. If many times during the day, just sit and imagine. And what are we going to imagine now? We are just focusing on our dreams and desires. Okay, so and remember one thing, very important for you to remember, that whatever has come in your mind, whatever you've thought, whatever you have imagined, is there some part of the universe. Because you have imagined, just have the faith, just have the truth that you have imagined. Agar aapne socha hai to wo hai hi, it's there. Anything you've thought and you have a doubt, अरे मैंने ये सोचा, क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? Yes. और फिर माइंड बोलेगा कैसे होगा ये? No, you don't have to think that. The how and is not your domain. You don't have to think, I have imagined that I want to earn 5 lakh rupees a month. I have written in my dream list. How is it going to happen? That's not your domain. अगर how पता होता तो आप कर ही लेते ना. So how is not your domain. You have to just give that intention to the universe, and you have to imagine that it is there. And you won't believe magics will start. This is how magics happen. This is what is the language of the magical world. Don't try to figure out how it's going to happen. And अगर ऐसा फिर भी दिमाग सोच रहा है कि अरे, I mean, this book is saying, I don't believe that. Abhi, right now in my bank, there is not even 1,000 rupees. And will I be able to get 5 lakh rupees? How? How? So that how is not your lookout. Whenever that thought comes, just remember that, have I ever thought that when I just, if somebody tells me to stand and walk, have I ever thought that will I be able to balance myself on the floor? Or will I start flying? Have I ever thought like that? No, because I know that the law of gravity will keep me firmly on the ground. I will be able to walk. I will be able to run. I will be able to sit. So as you, the faith you have in the law of gravity, like that, just have faith in the law of attraction, and it will be magically moved to you. Anything what you want will be magically moved towards you. And this is the promise of this chapter. This is the promise of this book. This is the most important chapter in this book. So just understand that. Yes, let's continue reading.
What do you most want right now? At the beginning of this book, I asked you to get really clear about what you want in every area of life. If you did not do that earlier, now is the time to do it. Go to the list you created now and choose your top 10 desires for magical practice. You can select 10 desires from different areas of your life, such as money, health, home, and relationship. Or you might want to choose 10 desires in one area you really want to change, such as work or success. Be very clear and specific about what you want the most, so that you can see the changes magically happen from this practice. Imagine you're putting in a magic order with the universe for your top 10 desires, because in the truth, by using the law of attraction, that's exactly what you are doing.
Yes. So I'm assuming all of us have written our desires. पूरा एक हमने लिख दिया था, एक area में. Everyone, yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
If you haven't done,
Yes.
then just, but we are going to see them today. So now, supposing, okay, everyone is yes. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the list. Supposing you have made your top 10 desires already. Still, I would suggest that make a fresh one. You can include those what you have written. उसमें से अगर कुछ हो गए हैं तो आप उनको cancel कर देंगे. Otherwise, just write down in a fresh page today, because each time you are having a different understanding. Each time you're reading the chapter, एक understanding अलग होती है. So when the understanding is different, the feelings will be different. So just choose out of them. You can select from every area it's your choice. Or you can select from only one area. Supposing right now money is the area where you want to really put your focus on. Pura focus you want to put in the area of money, or maybe in the area of your career, or maybe in the area of your relationship. So the choice is yours. आप उसमें से सिर्फ एक area से भी ले सकते हैं और सारे area से भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, so just see whatever you want. I mean, whatever you feel like, and then. But you have to be very clear and specific about what you most want. Not that okay, let me. I mean, it's okay. मैं कुछ भी ले सकता हूँ. Not like that. Be really have a concentrated time for yourself today, and we are very lucky it's a Sunday and we all are free. Then the other days, of course. So just just sit with yourself and write down all the top 10 desires, and imagine you are putting in a magic order with the universe for your top 10 desires, because in truth, by using the law of attraction, that's exactly what you are doing. So why it's saying that you have to be precise? Because, so let's take an example. Supposing you're really hungry and you have gone to a place, a beautiful place where you enjoy eating the most, and you've gone there, okay? So when you go there and you sit there and you just, you're just sitting there and the waiter comes to take the order, you say, मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है, जो है वो लेके आ जाओ, and आपको पता है मुझे क्या खाना है, just get it. The waiter will be, I mean, confused ना कि क्या लेके आना है, veg लाना है, non-veg लाना है, you want to eat Indian, you want to eat South Indian, you want to eat American, you want to eat Mexican, you want to eat Italian, what do you want to eat? So be specific, be clear and specific, because the universe will only understand what you are saying. The universe will not be able to assume, okay, it wants this. Whatever you say in words will have a vibration and a frequency, and it will reach the universe. And of course, your feelings are there. So really be specific. And if there's any confusion in the end of the chapter, just ask that this is the confusion. Okay, so be completely clear in this chapter, because the whole, as we go through the chapters further, and of course the chapters which we have already done, the 12 magical practices, it all is taking us closer to our dreams. So how are we going to write and what are we going to do with our dreams? Let's read.
Sit down at a computer or with a pen and a journal and create a separate list of your top 10 desires in the following way, as though you have received them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for dash, and fill the blank with your desire as though you have received it. For example, thank you, thank you, thank you for the high marks in my exam results, which got me into a job, which got me into the exact college I wanted. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the great news that we are having a baby. Thank you, thank you, thank you for our dream home, which has everything we wanted it to have down to the last detail.
So yes, so whenever you are writing, just, and you visualizing also, and supposing इसमें लिखा है high marks in my exam results, so if you are sure about whatever score you want to get, वो भी आप लिख दीजिएगा. Okay, and the college, the name of the college, supposing you want the exact college and you have the name in front of you, just write that also. The home, if you're thinking of your dream home, then you just see it's written, we wanted it to have down to the last detail. Now you have to use the power of imagination. What is the last detail for you? So how many people are there working for you? How many helpers are there? How many people are staying? You will assume that, of course, if I'm asking a dream home, my husband will be there, my kids will be there, or whatever. Supposing you want your in-laws to be there, whatever. But then you actually, the universe will say, no, you have to speak, you have to say, you have to be specific. So just write everything. that, so you have to write it in a para actually. Okay, so just write everything, that there are so many rooms, the kind of furniture you want in the house. Go into the minutest of the detail, the kind of flooring you want, the kind of walls you want, which architect is going to work. Are you going to work with an architect, or you want to design your own house? So all that, visualize each and every detail, whatever you want. Please continue.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing phone call with my dad that has improved our relationship. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the medical results that show I am all clear and healthy again. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the unexpected money I received, which is the exact amount I needed for my European trip. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the doubling of our sales figure this month. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the ideas that won us our biggest client yet. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my perfect partner. Thank you, thank you, thank you for how easy and effortless our move was.
Yes. So my suggestion is that if you really get into the fear of whatever is happening around you, then always out of those 10, just think of one for your health also, or maybe two, or maybe three, and once, and write in detail, so and visualize yourself, see yourself 5 years from now, 10 years from now, what you're doing. So you can, when you're writing something about your health, just visualize that, so that in the subconscious mind it is real, that is the reality. So whatever reality you have created already, that will be superimposed by this reality, what you are, the newfound reality. That's what we are doing when we are writing all this, and all depends on how much you are able to visualize and feel it. The more and more, जितना आप feel कर पाओगे उतना, जितना आप visualize कर पाओगे उतना feel कर पाओगे, जितना आप feel कर पाओगे उतना आप visualize कर पाओगे. This is directly proportional. So आप just see what you are doing and give the concentrated time. Don't be in a hurry. Today just give time only to this. और सब काम को एक बार side में रख के just do this today, because this is really important. Because since we have taken this commitment of walking on this journey, today's chapter is really, really important, and especially when writing our dreams. Yes.
Writing thank you 3 times in a row is a powerful thing to do, because it prevents you from throwing the words away and increasing your focus of gratitude. Saying thank you 3 times is also the magic formula, because it is the mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. For example, it takes one male and one female to create a baby. The male, female,
Okay,
and
there
the
is a lot
baby.
of noise in the background. Is anybody unmuted? Or it's there around you only, Reed?
No, it's not around me.
Can
I mean,
you-
someone.
Please, can you mute yourself, everyone? Can you check? Or otherwise, I'll have to check. Yeah, okay, the sound is not there now. Yes. Reed.
Okay. The male, female, and the baby, total 3, completing a new creation. The same rule of 3 applies to the creation of everything in the universe, including the creation of your desires. And so, when you say thank you 3 times in a row, you are using the magic number of creation and a secret magic formula.
Yes, so when we say thank you, just thank you, it's like, जो मुंह से निकली हवा होती है ना, वैसे it is. You're just throwing your thank you without any reason. आप reason भी नहीं बोल रहे हो, and so the feeling will not be there. So that's the reason. Since the beginning, even count your blessings. When you reread the count your blessings, you say thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times. And remember one thing, which just I felt, and maybe I must not have shared earlier, but or maybe I've shared earlier, but I just wanted to bring it right now, that whenever you want, since it's written that number 3 is the magical number of creation. So whenever you're using something to manifest, something to create, then only say thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times. So supposing somebody has got for you, you've gone and somebody has the waiter has got for you something, the food to eat, and you've got for you a glass of water. So that time it's not required to say thank you, thank you, thank you. That time you have to say thank you for bringing me this glass of water, thank you for bringing me this food, whatever I had ordered, and bringing it so fresh. So at home also somebody is serving you food, thank you, thank you, thank you. No, this you're going to use, this is a magical, it's a very powerful number. That's the reason we are saying it, we use it so many times. When we are doing a yoga session, we use thank you, we say 3 times, we say om, we chant 3 times. When we are chanting a mantra, and in the end of the mantra we say om shanti 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 3 times, because that we are using the power of creation. We want to create that in our life. So that's why we're using 3 times. When we go to the temple, we ring the bell 3 times. Even the trinity of the gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, 3. So this 3 number is really magical. And you know what, sometimes, so supposing you have given an intention to the universe, we'll do this chapter later on, but just bringing it in front of you, that supposing you're seeing this number, this number has great power, and the universe tries to talk to you through numbers. So supposing sometime you're just seeing number 3, all around you, everything you are seeing is 3 in number. Somebody gave you something 3, you went in the kitchen and you're seeing 3 vegetables, 3 mangoes. Could be possible that it might happen at in some point of your life that you're just seeing three things. Somebody is talking to you, and they are talking, so you will hear this word quite often, or you will see this thing, see this number in front of you, or maybe you are going outside, you're traveling, and the nameplate in the car, you will keep on seeing number 3 everywhere. So it could be possible. So you can play this game with the universe, the game of numbers. So this, why number 3? Because it's the number of creation. It's the mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. So we have seen this now. For example, to create a baby, there male, 1 female, and then the third is the baby is created. So that is it's a new creation, no? It's the most beautiful creation. So now we are going to use for creating our desires. So when you say thank you, thank you, thank you in a row. Now here also you can say mechanically, thank you, thank you, thank you. No, just feel it. First feel the vibrations of the words. And we have done this when we say thank you. Actually, we are creating some vibrations around our heart. All of you have felt this, yes? No? Whenever you say thank you, you can place your right palm on the heart center and say thank you, thank you, thank you. You will feel some beautiful energy flowing around your heart. So use all these vibrations to manifest your desires and your dreams. And this is the secret formula. This is the secret magical formula. Please continue.
The second step of make all your wishes.
Make all your wishes come true.
Come true involves saturating your desires with even more gratitude. You can complete the second step at any time during the day today, either at the same time as listening your top 10 desires or intermittently throughout the day.
Please continue.
To saturate each of your desire with gratitude's magical power, Begin with the first desire on your list and using your imagination mentally. Answer the following questions as though you have received your desires. First, what emotions did you? Sorry, I'm so sorry. My phone was just showing the low power. I'll restart again. To saturate each of your desire with gratitude's magical power, begin with the first desire on your list and using your imagination mentally answer the following questions as though you have received your desires. Number 1, what emotions did you feel when you received the desire? Number 2, who was the first person you told when you received the desire? And how did you tell them? Number 3, what is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much as detail as you can in your mind.
So
Finally,
very, very beautiful to ask these questions to yourself. And then when you ask, get the answer also. The answer will also come. So be with the answer. Don't just ask and move on. So what you're going to do is that top 10 desires you've written. And then my suggestion is that just take 3 desires which are important to you. Don't go through the entire list, because then maybe your intensity of your feeling will decrease, will become less. It's my experience. You can experience it yourself. You want to do, if you feel that yes, you can do for all the top 10, you can go ahead with that. But जो important है उस top 10 में से भी उन 3 को अगर आप concentrated focus और attention देके करते हो, then maybe the results are faster. So this is my experience. I'm sharing with you all. अगर आपको लगे कि नहीं तो आप वैसे भी कर सकते हो. So what you're going to do is that once you read that desire, whatever your dream is there in front of you, you read it loudly, and then so just reading it and closing your eyes and imagining. So how do you enter into the world of imagination is that asking the questions to you. The questions are given that how did you feel? Were you happy? Were you joyful? Were you grateful? Were you okay, it's fine? You know, some people might feel like that also. What's the big deal? I got it, it's fine. So whatever emotions are there, you know, you just get in touch with your emotions. We did the feeling chart, if you remember. So just bring that feeling chart. What are you feeling? And before actually you sit down to visualize all this, first get yourself in a level of happy zone, you know, joyful zone. Not that you're thinking of something, you had some experience with somebody in the house or somebody outside the house, or you're feeling sad, disappointed, and now you say that, okay, let me change my mind by sitting with the desire list. That can also happen. No, first shift your focus to a level where you are above the feeling chart, in the feeling chart in the above the line, where you're feeling quite contented, quite peaceful, quite happy, quite joyful. You're feeling excited before you actually sit to visualize your dreams. That level of excitement should be there. So you can change your feelings by listening to any song, by listening to any funny jokes, or you know, watching your favorite comedy show. कुछ भी करके just first shift your energies. Then sit and ask these questions. What emotions did you feel? So you have to get into the space where you've actually got that desire. Okay, so supposing आपका dream house है, so then that dream house is already there, you've received it, and wow, you finalized the deal, and that house is there in front of you, and you're standing in the middle of the house, and then you're calling whomever you want to call. Who's the first person whom you will just say? You'll call and, you know, just say this good news. And after, what will be the first thing you will do? So will you go to the temple? You will just thank God, or, you know, you will offer some prasad, or you will, I mean, whatever, everybody will have different things of expressing your happiness. So you can do anything, but you have to visualize which before you've actually done, because then the subconscious mind will feel that it is real and it will be there right in front of you. These are the steps. So you remember the secret movie, you you are believing, and you're receiving. The 3 steps: ask, believe, and receive. You've asked for it. Now, the how is not your domain. You just have to allow. In the magical world, there you don't have to how, you just have to allow. You don't have to get your logical mind over here. In the world of magic, there's no logics. Just remember that. If, for some intellectual people who always want reasonings for everything, because that is how their mind is, they might, the intellectual mind might come in front. And, it might come as a barrier. And then you move away from your magical mind. You move, so in the magical world, the intellect has got no space at all. It's all about surrender, it's all about faith, it's all about belief, it's all about your imagination, your feeling. So that's why we did the feeling chart, and maybe tomorrow or day after we'll again revisit our feeling chart. Or if we have time and if you all agree, we can do it today itself. So that whenever you sit, you understand what is happening with you. Whenever you sit to rewrite your top 10 dream list, you will understand that where you are and how you can change your feelings from where you are and where you want to be, where you are desired to be. Please continue.
Finally, reread each desire and really emphasize the magic words "thank you" so that you feel them as much as you can. Move on to the second desire on your list and follow the same steps with each desire until you have completed all 10 desires. Spend at least 1 minute on each desire. If you want to do something that's really powerful and lot of fun, you can also create a magic board where you attach pictures of your desire. Cut out the pictures and attach them to the top of the board. That's in a place where you will see it often. Place the magic words "thank you, thank you, thank you" in big bold letters on your magic board. Or you can use your refrigerator as your magic board. If you have a family, you can create a magic board as a family project because children love it. Imagine that your magic board is truly magical, and whatever you place a picture of on your board is instantly being moved towards you. Your continued gratitude for it will magnetize it all the way into your life.
Yes, so now the 4th step is the fun part of it, wherein you can create a vision board or a magic board. And so what we are going to do is that you can just take a chart paper, or you can take a whiteboard, or if you have a soft board in your kids' room, or in your own room, if you have a study table and behind that we generally have a soft board, whatever is available to you, you can just create, you can be creative and really put in your effort and time in this and do as soon as possible. Today is the day where you can really invest your time and effort into it. Pictures collect kar lijiye, or just you can Google, and bahut sare apps available hai. You can just take out the pictures from there, or if you are creative, you can really draw. And if you feel nahi pictures are not being available, just draw yourself. So when you're drawing, actually कुछ चीजें अगर आप draw भी करते हो तो actually your feelings will go into it, and each time you see it will feel real to you. The intensity of feeling real will be more. So whatever you depending upon your work, your the time you have, you can decide what you want to do. So once तो vision board में क्या लगाना है, क्या pictures लगाने हैं, whatever top 10 desire list you have selected for yourself, उनकी एक pictures, एक desires की pictures, ताकि when you see that picture, you just that dream comes in front of you, that dream just pops out and it is real for you. So just make it so real. So here again, you're using the power of your imagination. And just don't forget to write thank you, thank you, thank you, the magic words. So in these bold letters, sometimes I find people writing in small letters and with light pen se likha hota hai. Just write it in bold, happy color, bold letters and with a happy color. You know, just color say, I mean, each one of us have a connection with a different color. Some people will like blue, red, yellow, har jinki, you know, and maybe at that particular time you like that particular color. So just see, but it should stand out. The main motto is that एकदम stand out होना चाहिए. जब भी आप उसे देखोगे, ऐसे लगना चाहिए कि वो words एकदम आपसे बातें कर रहे हैं, वो pictures आपसे बातें कर रही है. Make it as real and make it as colorful. और उसमें आप कुछ affirmations भी लिख सकते हो, जैसे thank you, thank you, thank you is a very beautiful affirmation because it reminds you to be grateful. Yes, so like that you can write, you know, I am the winner, or जो भी आपके dreams and desires है, उनसे related you can pick up some quotes and some quotes which has touched you from the book जो हमने 12 chapters पढ़े हैं. Energy flows where the attention goes. So anything, whatever you feel like. And we saw, remember the video which we saw, and the Bollywood actors and actresses, they were sharing that. You know, you can just take a picture of some famous personality जो आप पढ़ना चाहते हो, उसकी जगह आप अपना face लगा दो. So be as creative as you can. So whatever are your dreams and desires, you know them better than any other person. उनसे related, make a vision board. And where are you going to stick this vision board? At a place where you will see it quite often. So see which part of most of the day where you are. Could be your living room, could be your bathroom, could be your bedroom, wherever, जहाँ पे भी आप लगाना चाहते हो. Could be on the fridge. And you could also do one thing, एक ही जगह नहीं करके 2-3 ऐसे vision boards बना लिए. You can make a collage also, so that you can stick everything together and at that picture actually speaks to you. तो आप अलग-अलग जगह पे भी लगा सकते हो. Okay. So is that clear with everyone, the vision board and the top 10?
Yes.
And if you feel that you want to involve the entire family, see, you just check whether everybody understands this language, or you can make them understand, they have faith in it, because there are some kids also have done from your family, so you can involve your kids if you want, and you can make a common vision board. और अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं, I want my exclusive vision board, मुझे अपना अलग ही करना है, if you want to make it with your spouse, because what happens is कुछ ड्रीम्स कॉमन होते हैं आपके स्पाउस के और आपके, तो वो आप उसमें एक ही विजन बोर्ड में डाल सकते हो, बिकॉज देन द पावर इज, इट बिकम्स मोर पावरफुल. और कुछ ड्रीम्स ऐसे होते हैं, जैसे फॉर माय हस्बैंड एंड माई सेल्फ, सम ड्रीम्स आर कॉमन and some dreams are not common. So the dreams which are common, we would make, I have put in a one board, you know, so and for my son also. So there are some common dreams. So you see whatever you feel like. If there are something common, then you involve everybody, because सबके inputs जब हम लेते हैं तो you know it becomes really complete. It becomes really powerful, because everyone is supposing home ke liye, so everyone is going to stay in the home na. So just you know, it's fun to ask, okay, how will you want your room? That is how I actually did when I made the vision board for our dream home. So I was asking my son, and I was laughing at that time that it was so real, as if we've already got the house, and you know, we're asking, okay, Madhav, what will you like in your room? Which kind of furniture would you like in your room? Which floor would you like to stay? Which building would you like to go? And you know, I'm asking my husband also. So it was a fun time, all of us together, and imagining that yes, we already have, it's there with us, and we are talking. And never in our life we have spoken like this, you know, something which is already there. I mean, the mind will say, "Arey, it's not there." The conscious mind will say, "It's not there. What are you doing? Are you in that imaginary world?" Yes, I am in that imaginary world, because my subconscious mind is feeling it real. So if you feel कि लोग समझेंगे नहीं आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो, तो आपकी faith भी कम हो जाएगी, then don't involve them. Then just you yourself sit with your dreams and make your vision board. Okay, so and when you do that, if the dreams, so and do that with gratitude, that's very, very important. Very, very important. Then your dreams will start walking towards you, because the universe is making it happen, and the universe says, your wish is my command. Whatever you're wishing, my master, it is my command. Yes, please continue the magic practice number 13.
Acha. Magic practice number 13. Make all your wishes come true. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Sit down at a computer or with a pen and a journal and list your top 10 desires. Write thank you 3 times before each one, as though you have already received it. For example, thank you, thank you, thank you for your desire. Third, using your imagination, answer the following questions in your mind as though you've received each of your 10 desires. Number 1, what emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Number 2, who was the first person you told when you received your desire and how did you tell them? Number 3, what is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much as detail as you can in your mind. Number 4, finally, reread the sentence listing your desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. Number 5, if you like, create a magic board. Cut out the pictures and attach them to your magic board and put it in the place where you see often. Title the board with thank you, thank you, thank you in big bold letters across the top. Number 6, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened to you during the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Reed. Thank you for
Thank you,
the
Reed.
awesome
Thank
reading.
you, everyone.
You
Thank
actually
you,
read
everyone.
with so much of feeling, Reed, that we actually could connect with every word. Really beautiful what you read.
Yeah, thank you so much. Even I was entirely reading session. I was so much in my deep feelings,
Yeah.
At times I was just missing on something, but I was just in that feeling world, deep feelings. Thank you
Yes,
so
yes.
much. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yes, so everybody has understood. So have you understood what happened in this chapter? So till now, the book was preparing us all those 12 chapters, and on day 0 also we did a lot. But that time maybe we didn't understand, or we understood both ways, and it was preparing us. All the magical practices was preparing us. They were preparing us to be so grateful, so that when you come to make your wishes come true, you have you have gathered so much of gratitude till now that आपने अब आप बिल्कुल उस space में आ गए हो जहां पे all your wishes will come true. They are true. So then you can really understand the chapter properly. So like how हम कोई भी sometimes we marinate the vegetables ना, जब हम कुछ अच्छा बनाना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें अच्छे से सब spices डाल के अच्छी चीजें डाल के उसको मैरिनेट करते हैं, then we make उसका टेस्ट कुछ अलग आता है. So like that, all these 12 days we were getting marinated, and now we are all ready. बिल्कुल अब ready हो गए हैं. बस उसको कैसे, I mean, the faster, the sooner you do, the faster the results will be. Okay, so my invitation to all of you is do this in the early hours again. Find a concentrated time for yourself and do it. So yes, so then we end today's, the chapter is done, and we'll do the visualization. Okay, Everybody, can you put your videos on so that I can see you once? We have one more new name. Who's this? Sarvadi. Everybody. Wow. So nice to see everyone. Lovely. Nice to see you, Shikha. Can you put on the video? Who's this? Sarvadi? I don't know who this person is. Can we all see you?
Vandana ji,
Yes?
can I speak for a minute?
Yes, sure.
Thank you so much. And I have already done this magical journey prior, but I couldn't fulfill it earlier as well. There was again some vlog in between, because of which it did not happen. But I was listening to your sessions even during these 12 days. So I could understand it very beautifully. It actually, somewhere there is this connect with you. I do not know what is it. Maybe it's the old connection with our yoga thing or whatever, but I can connect to you very easily, and you make it so beautiful. The entire concept with the examples that you're giving us, with the explanations that you're doing with the book reading is very therapeutic. It's very beautiful, and it stays with us. It has stayed with me, at least I can say that, in spite of not attending the live sessions. But again, there is a difference between the live sessions and when you hear it. I always tell this to my yoga teacher. She tells it's the same thing, but I always tell no, live is live. So I will request ki, please try to be on the live sessions. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in today and taking it. Thank you very much. Yes.
वंदना जी,
Yes.
मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगी। पता नहीं पहले मैंने शेयर किया है या नहीं। ये जो
1 minute, Ina ji, 1 minute. The rest of you, can you mute yourself? Read and Pooja ji, please, can you mute yourself? Because then the disturbance will not be. Yes, Ina ji, yes. Yes, Ina ji.
हेलो,
Yes, we can hear you. Yes.
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
हाँ, आ रही है।
तो ये सेशन में है कि कोई भी काम शुरू करने से पहले आप उसका आभार मान लीजिए। तो अब मैंने ये किया, ये मैंने पढ़ा भी नहीं था, तो अब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कुछ इंट्यूशन हुआ होगा या यूनिवर्स से कुछ मुझे क्यों मिला होगा। मेरे बेटे की शादी थी दिसंबर 19 में, तो मैंने उस वक्त क्या किया था कि हम वैसे जब मैरिज कार्ड लिखते हैं तब पहले भगवान का
हीना जी 1 minute, आई थिंक आपके उधर से डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही है, बहुत कड़कड़ आवाज आ रही है। कैन यू जस्ट चेक, आप हेडफोन्स लगाए हुए हो?
मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ, सो आपका वाईफाई कनेक्शन कुछ गड़बड़ है, जस्ट चेक वंस। योर वाईफाई कनेक्शन इज नॉट प्रॉपर। आप दूसरी जगह जाके कर सकते हो, बिकॉज योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर। या जस्ट चेंज योर प्लेस एंड सी।
अब आ रहा है?
यस, बेटर।
अब प्रॉपर है ना?
प्रॉपर है।
हाँ, तो तब मैंने क्या किया था कि जब मैंने शादी की शुरुआत की थी, शादी की शॉपिंग की या शादी के लिए जो भी हमको काम हाथ में लेने, उसकी लिस्ट बनाने से पहले, शुरुआत करने से पहले हम 9 कार्ड बनवाए थे। और जो अलग अलग इसके हमारे भगवान है, शंकेश्वर है, मौड़ी है, अम्बा जी है, जो हमारे कुल देवता है, कुल देवी है, सभी जगह जाके हमने पर्सनली वहां जाके उनको इनविटेशन दिया था कि हम ये शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, तो आप हमारे साथ में रहना। तो अमेजिंग रिजल्ट हमको मिला था। इतने बढ़िया से सब काम निबट गए थे, हमको कुछ भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया था। और इतने तो आज फील है कि वो सच में था।
यस, the science behind it is that only. Yes. Thank you, Inaji. Thank you for sharing. Yes, really beautiful what you shared. and you've actually experienced it, तो experience किया हुआ ज़्यादा touch करता है. That's why I tell you all, just share. Whatever you might have experienced, even if you didn't know anything, whatever is there in the chapter. And of course, जो आप follow कर रहे हो, उसका जो experience है, just share with everyone. Share. Anybody else has any sharings? Okay, you've understood this chapter beautifully. बिल्कुल अच्छे से समझ आ गया है each and every step you're going to follow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So then we are all ready for the visualization.
वंदना जी,
Yes.
Yes.
एक
Yes.
चीज मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा.
हाँ.
ये जब सेशन करने से पहले मतलब
हाँ.
ऑलवेज मैं स्ट्रेस में रहता था, ऑलवेज मैं फियर जोन में ही रहता था कि भी आगे कैसे होगा, ये बिजनेस कैसे होगा, कैसे मैं आगे बढ़ पाऊंगा, ये कैसे होगा. मतलब कंटिन्यूस वो थॉट्स मेरे मतलब 24 आवर्स मेरे दिमाग में चलते ही रहते. उसकी वजह से क्या था कि मैं खुद हैप्पी नहीं हो पा रहा था, फैमिली को हैप्पी नहीं कर पा रहा था. मतलब मेरा गुस्सा भी बहुत जबरदस्त था, कहीं ना कहीं बात पे चिढ़ जाता था. लेकिन ये जैसे आपके साथ में ये सेशन में जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, ये 3rd टाइम कर रहा हूँ, तो अभी मेरे में मैं खुद ऐसा फील कर रहा हूँ कि सबसे पहले तो स्ट्रेस लेवल बिल्कुल चला गया है. फियर जोन में कभी भी अभी नहीं रहता हूँ. कुछ भी है, अभी प्रॉब्लम जो था वो है, लेकिन मैं उसको मतलब साइड में कर दिया है, वो ऊपर वाले पे छोड़ दिया है कि भी हो जाएगा सब कुछ. और ऐसा ऐसा सब कुछ मैं जो चाह रहा था वो हो रहा है. सो दिस इज द पावर ऑफ मैजिक. और थैंक यू वंदना जी, ये जगत में आप हमको लेके आए. So thank you very much.
Thank you for coming and walking in this journey. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Really grateful to you. Thank you.
Thank you all for coming and being in this session. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you
yes,
all.
yes. So let's do this visualization. It's 7. I assume today being a Sunday, I can take 15 minutes more. Yes, everyone.
Yes.
I know you have your commitments. Okay. So everybody mute yourself. Yes. And yeah. So Rushabh, are you there? I'm assuming everybody is Sunday. So is it a Monday there?
नहीं, मैं तो सैटरडे होगा ना.
Saturday होगा क्या?
Saturday evening.
Okay. Okay. So you're free, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So just make yourself comfortable, as we always do before sitting for a visualization. Take a deep lung-filling breath. Relax your shoulders, relax your spine, relax your hands as they are resting on the thighs. Relax your legs. And bring your mind to your breaths. Bring the mind to your breaths. अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान दीजिए. Just take a deep breath in, keeping your spine erect. Raise the lungs, raise the chest. Let the belly come out as you take a deep breath in. And when you exhale, just let the belly relax, the chest relaxing. Feel this relaxation flowing into your entire body. Now, don't try to make any movements in your body. Just sit the way you are, quietly watching your thoughts, watching your breaths, and watching the vibrations in your body. अपनी बॉडी की वाइब्रेशंस को, अपनी बॉडी की फ्रीक्वेंसी को, जो एक तरंगों के रूप में फ्लो करती है, जस्ट फील दैट राइट नाउ. Connect with the vibrational being. Connect with this vibrational being which is there inside you. And now just smile and see that you are in your dream holiday. You are there. You wanted to go to a beach side and you are there. Wow. And you're walking on the beach. You are listening to the cool sound of the sea waves. You're listening to the beautiful sound of the sea waves, and wow, it feels so beautiful. You can see the sky above you. And as you're walking, you can feel the soft sand under your feet. And you are there with your family. All of you are enjoying, you're running, you are laughing together, you're eating together, you're jogging together, you're doing whatever you wanted to do. And the soft touch of breeze, that wind is touching your body. That cool wind is touching your body. Wow. Wow, you're feeling so happy. And then whatever you had decided for the day is happening right there. Whatever you wanted your holiday, however you wanted your holiday to be, you are living it. It's there. You are there in your holiday, in that destination which you had thought for yourself. Yes, yes, it is there. You are there and you're experiencing it and you're so happy. You're feeling on top of the world and you're saying loudly as you're standing on the beach, saying loudly, thank you, God, thank you so much. Feel it in every cell of your body. Feel it in every muscle of your body. Feel it. Feel it. You're actually experiencing everything happening right now. It feels so real. Each and every part of your body is participating in this happiness. Each and every organ of your body is feeling this happiness. Each and every muscle of your body is experiencing this happiness. Feel it, feel it. Be in this space. And now take a deep breath in. Feel the breath force rising, spreading like a fountain of light, spreading inside your body. Feel it. And feel that smile growing around your lips, around your eyes, around your ears, around your skin. You're feeling that happiness, that smile inside every cell of your body. Every cell of your body is experiencing that happiness. And they're jumping with joy. Any other thought is not coming in the mind right now. And even if it's coming, that thought is also participating in that joy, in the happiness. And then just bring all those people you're sitting in your favorite holiday destination. And you're taking out some time to just connect with all those people who are not feeling well, who are in pain, who are suffering, who are not feeling good, who are feeling disappointed, who are feeling low, who have hit their rock bottom. Just remember them. Just bring them and take your palms in front of your chest, the palms facing outward. All of you lift your hands and take your palms facing outward and just radiate that happiness which you felt few minutes back in every cell of your palms and your arms. Just radiate, just let it flow out. Share it, just let it flow out and give it to the universe, give it to all those people who you brought in front of your closed eyes. Feel that it's going to them, it's reaching them, and they are also getting the sense of joy. They are also getting the taste of happiness. Just feel it. Feel it. And enjoy. Enjoy the space you are in. It's so beautiful to share your happiness with others, your joy with others. Feel it in every corner of your mind, every corner of your body, every corner, each and every cell, the nucleus of the cell radiating with this joy and happiness. Because this is the truth. This is the truth. Make your fingers relax, soft, gentle. Relax your fingers and feel that happiness growing in the entire universe into Mother Earth. Just feel Mother Earth smiling and blessing you. The blessings you are getting from Mother Earth is infinite. Just feel that as you are sharing, as you're giving your blessings to her, you're receiving it back. And you're receiving it 1,000-fold. You can't even imagine. And now just take your arms around you. Wrap your arms around you. Hug yourself. Give yourself a tight hug. And feel you're feeling so happy, so blessed, so joyful. Thank this moment. Thank the now. And smile. Smile at yourself. Feel the smile radiating from every cell of your body. Feel it. Feel it. Feel the soft touch of your skin as you're hugging yourself. Maybe you're touching the clothes. Just feel the touch of skin under your clothes. You have felt your skin. So just feel it. And now feel your face. Just move your soft, gentle palms, loving palms on your face. Touch your eyes, touch your ears, touch your forehead. Feel this light flowing from your fingertips, your palms into different parts of your body. Just feel your throat. Move your hands as you touch your chest, your belly, your thighs, your legs. Whichever part of your body, your arms, your right arm, your right hand touching your left palm, hand, fingers, elbows, wrist, shoulders, and your left arm touching your right. Just feel it. And feel the sensations that is running through your entire body. Feel your spine. Just take your arms behind and touch your buttocks and your spine. The back of the neck, the back of the shoulders, wherever your hands can reach. And wherever your hands cannot reach, just visualize that touch. Just feel that touch. Feel it. And feel it. It's so true. It's so true. It's so real. It's so beautiful. It's so joyful. Thank you. Thank you, universe, for giving me this moment to share my love, to share my light, to share my experience, to share my happiness, to share my joy with the world around. With the world around me, the entire universe, making this earth a better place. And yes, I did it. I did it. And I'm going to do it every moment of my life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Whenever you feel, you can slowly open your eyes with that happiness, with that joy, with that everlasting smile, and the grace flowing through every part of your body, the light flowing through every part of your body. Thank you, everyone. Don't be in a hurry to open your eyes. Stay in this space for as long as you feel like. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of this wonderful session. Thank you so much.